Whether you're traveling for business, a family emergency, or a hard-earned vacation, the rules for crossing the border are exactly the same. And right now, the only standing between you and your destination is a stack of government paperwork. Let's be honest, the passport system isn't exactly designed to be user-friendly. The rules are dense, the forms are confusing, and one small mistake can lead to weeks of delays, or worse, an outright rejection. I'm Sheldon, and for over 20 years, the team here at US Passport Service Guide has helped millions of Americans cut through that red tape. Our job is simple. We read the manuals and the fine print and the federal regulations so you don't have to. On this channel, we cover three main things to help you travel smarter. First, we break down insider strategies, the hows and whys behind passport cards, border security, and the hidden requirements that can trip you up at customs. Second, we act as your travel document tutor. We go line by line through the actual government forms to make sure you check the right boxes and get approved the first time. And finally, we cover speed. We give you the tested, verified methods to expedite your application so you get what you need in time for when you need it. We don't do travel gossip or hacks that don't work. We focus on clarity, compliance, and getting you ready for your trip. Whether you're applying for your first passport or renewing your fifth, we have a guide for you. Need a travel visa? Need a travel document as soon as possible? We got guides for that too. So if you want to skip the confusion and handle your travel documents with total confidence, hit that subscribe button. Let us handle the paperwork strategy so you can focus on the destination. Safe travels.